So yesterday, the updates be more about Lilwin the issue now so, and there were calls still about if this guy was definitely going to be arrested or not. And today, good news Abani said in this particular video I was sharing, it is being confirmed that Nkansah Lilwin has finally been arrested. Now, this is actually a breaking news, and it's actually a good news because Abofra in question, 3-year-old that we would not say, the family have been going on media circle and media stations, and they have been calling for what we term as justice, because according to them, what was happening to Lilwin, and Lilwin after the accident, he has not been called by the police, and even the audacity said after the issue, a police focus on Lilwin because eyewitness account Lilwin was speeding. Lilwin said the whole fan and the big question was when or since when did Ghana police started taking orders from people like Nkansah Lilwin. Now this is a very good news because me know video on the screens air patches Nkansah Lilwin have finally been arrested, and this is actually a good news because the first step of seeking justice, not just for the family but also for this young boy. He died in this accident which should never have happened. Accident do happen, but the case said Lilwin was speeding. One more chrome hall eyewitness Obia said Lilwin was over speeding, which means he caused this accident and he should be blamed for this death. And we are seeing say he was taken into custody to the Kumasi police municipality. He will be arraigned before court. I'm sure so be them kakra, and after that he will be granted bail. But then there's a full video of what really happened and how Lilwin was whisked into the police premises. Among forecast, this is a very good news. Me myself, I'm happy. So finally, we have something like this which is happening. Go video nearby. We continue. Okay, so for context, this is the young boy Amino Kase in Bubu, Oshe Abranti, and as this particular young guy who screens so it should tell you said this guy should never have suffered the same fate as a year because this was a young 3-year-old that he knew nothing about the accident. The fact, sir, this particular young boy by the name Richard Ampuma, a brat or no the otika anymore onim the ekoso as the nisi owu no. It should never have happened. And the fact said justice up to now, no, he has not got justice, even though he see, it is a bit alarming. And Lilwin on the other side, he has found himself on the bashing and also on the wrong side of Ghanaians, because Ghanaians are saying, even after the accident, he had a bra or rejected police arrest. So he had the audacity to go to Supreme, take prayers, or Beijing chair, and also take fans. And this was very disrespectful, because Kumasi Hono, Lilwin feels he's above the law. And he being jailed today, is a first step to redemption, and it's a first step to justice. A boy ni di if Richard Ampuma Tewia, a chimney and I said the Chiba Crano, Sebu, and I said, woman didn't even I don't know the details of it, but I said in Tap 4 18 something like that. So this is what is really going on. I'll be giving you details as to what is really happening, and even where Lilwin was taken into custody, and even the process involved, and what we should be expecting in this particular coming day. So I know so baby Sam said, now will Lilwin be arrested? Will Lilwin be jailed? Of course, Lilwin will be definitely jailed. Will Lilwin go into jail to Nsawam? I know the intimate, because as it is now, details of the case, a bit mercury, because at the end of the day, Lilwin said, or no, he was not a person speeding, or being a trim, and no, you overtaking at the same time too. Nipana ne bani wuno nipano so kase Lilwin and a year speedy. So we don't know exactly who caused what, but as it is now, police have to do their investigation. I'm sure the police would know what to do. Now, Minoka saying the Kumawood actor, according to new statement, he was discharged from the hospital this morning. Into a bread discharging in Fee Hospital, and a year the Motor Traffic and Transport Department (MTTD) of the Mesia Divisional Police Command. The more part said his arrest is in connection with the incident that happened. Accident is here. Last week Saturday, Lilwin or in the premier speedy, he was speeding, because that's what eyewitness was saying. In the course of the speeding and overtaking, he crashed into several vehicles, leading to the death of this particular young 3-year-old. And also now you won't say many people, including Swasnega and other people, Michaels, everyone is saying, how is it that this guy is even still working around without being arrested? And finally, we are seeing that this guy has been whisked to the Ghana police service to say this guy is being arrested. They are saying this particular thing is so sad. But let me say this, and let me also put this here. Now people are also saying Lilwin the issue is they believe with immediate effects from now, tomorrow, and tomorrow next, which is from now to Wednesday, Lilwin should be able and I will be sent to court. And the whole Rebecca said, okay, we are discharging Lilwin. We are giving him bail. We also want him to appear every 3 days or so. And I said, still now, per se, Abia Umbra court from time to time. And I say, Abia, we should still keep him in police custody. So at the end of the day, in some you was okay if he's guilty or not. So this is what is really going on. At the same time too, I'm out for Casa de Lilwin just say all nantia. I just say who the oyen who I say the 9 year young party say he wants to gain or garnish the public sympathy, because in 70 you had the strength to go to a premier. So if you got a strength to go to a premier, why is it that you say you have bandages all over you, you have bandages all over your head, you are even sitting in a wheelchair, but then I see any day sorry call premier kwa J fans, and now all of a sudden you are sick. As I watch a video was Lilwin untimi sorry. It is on Nantia, Bako, man focus. The day I oba premier no and ya won't do now the buy. And the one thing which is very shocking though is that a bra oba premier no okono obian sudimu oba no obian sudimu. But immediately we who say a penalty he has gone back to his acting mode. Man focus say upa umpe buying in Sakawa, definitely, justice will be prevailed here. So this is exactly what is really happening now. A very sad issue. And Empire say, and Empire no be bossed Lilwin, it should be behind bars. But this is just a common sense, and we need justice. So that it is going to serve as a deterrent. In your bear man, as a celebrity, and I Ghana actors and actresses are more driving on the road that they feel like the road, the signs and the principles and also the rules and the rules don't apply to them. No, this time around, this is a direct message to them. Say the message should apply to you. Sorry, the rules and regulations on the road applies to you. You are under the law and you are not above the law, regardless of your status in the society. So this is exactly what is really happening. Definitely, you need the same to be giving you more updates as all of this unfold.